Hey everybody, amprepairguy.com, 203-892-4119, also harbackelectronics.com. So today we have a Ameritron Al-82 in for repair. I was waiting on some parts, so needs a new air variable cap on the plate side. You can see the plate is all sorts of melted. So I'm going to swap that out with a brand new one. Go over the rest of it. Needs a new set of tubes. Has the old brown base RF part / Taylor tubes. So one has a grit to filament issue. So he's going to get a brand new set of Pentalab tubes for this. So I'm going to get to work. Also needs a new set of SO239, so I'm going to swap those out. And I'll do everything else it needs. So stay tuned. Please like, share, and subscribe. Luckily his band switch is okay. I always check that first. So see you guys in a bit. So you got the new capacitor here. The old one. I have to cut the threads off on this side. It's not near the tube. Okay, so I'll cut that off with my Dremel, and I will be back. See, it's removed. See you soon. Okay, so I'm back with the completed Ameritron Al-82. So my customer who sent this in is a ham, but he got it from a CB guy, I guess. He didn't tell me that prior to sending it. And I guess it had gone to a CB shop somewhere down south. Please, if someone's been in something, please tell me prior to sending it, but it's okay. I fixed it, but there were a couple things I could not take care of because I couldn't get parts. But so it's working 160 through 10. I always shoot a video free of charge of it working on one band of the customer's choice and goes right to the customer. So first off, brand new SO239s from Max Gain Systems. Great people over there. So someone changed the TR relay and they took the little board out. So power output meter does nothing and the ALC does nothing. So can't get the board, nothing I can do about that. So clean the contacts on the relay, touched up on solder joints over there. Someone changed the rectifier diodes on the metering board. And they put a bridge, one of those sealed bridge rectifiers on. I put some silicone around it to give it some support, give the traces some support. I put the blower on the highest speed. The filament transformers tap properly already. So people usually cook those diodes if they put a short on it from the meter lamps, but replacement LEDs in there and they're working. So someone took the metering board out also because the detent stop is missing, so it goes beyond the ALC. But high voltage, plate current, positions work, grid current, meter works. Brand new air variable caps in on the plate side, reset the spark gap. So the person actually had pulled the turns apart. So trying to alter the inductance for CB is, I don't know, it's crazy stuff. So I reset it best I could, cleaned the band switch. You always want to make sure the capacitor, especially the plate side, that the hardware is super tight, and it is. I'm going to replace these two screws. Customer left this in place. He bent it to get the tubes out. Told him he'd just take these two screws out. So I'm going to put the new screws in I'll bubble wrap this and tape it up. You don't want the weight of the parasitic board on the doorknob plate blocking caps during shipping. So these are my chimneys, they're just test chimneys, so the customer doesn't have to send them in. Theirs in, and these are just test tubes, this much, but they're good. So everything else checked out okay. The pointer was rubbing really hard. Bent it out a bit. So that's about it. So please like, share, and subscribe. And if you need an amplifier fixed, feel free to give me a call. Any of the amps you see on my YouTube channel. And if you have something else, you can ask. But I primarily just fix the ones you see on my YouTube channel. I have an AL-1500 I'm waiting on parts for. I have a AL-1200 coming, waiting on parts for a AL-572, and payments on a few others and more on the way. So I'll get back on the multi-band amp as soon as I can. And this is getting a brand new set of Pentalab 3500Zs. Awesome company. I recommend people go right to their website to order. You get them nice and cheap right on their site. And if you send an amp in to me, 3500Zs, you buy them direct and you get a discount. So a little bit of a discount over their price on their site. So again, thank you for watching. I'd really appreciate it. Have a great day. 73.